Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change light show button on your PartyBox JBL Encore Essential. You have to start by opening the application. Now scroll down and click on button settings. And right here we have like at the up of this PartyBox we have a light button, and right here we're just changing these modes. But if you don't want to have a lot of these modes, you can just disable it and you will change it between these two modes, what I have right now, or 3 modes if I enable more. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.